All right, folks, gather round because today's episode is a juicy one. We're diving deep into Apple, a company caught in a whirlwind of news. Get ready because we're talking overpriced stocks, massive tax bills, new iPhones, and AI drama. First up, let's talk stock prices. Is Apple overpriced? Well, it's a valid question these days. Apple is the crown jewel of tech companies, but its stock price is raising some eyebrows. Currently trading at 33.6 times earnings, it's significantly higher than the S&P 500's 22.6 times. Basically, some folks think you're paying a premium for those sleek iPhones and fancy MacBooks. Here's the scoop. While new features like improved battery life and marginally better cameras on recent iPhone models are nice, they just haven't been game changers. iPhone sales have been flat for the past few years, even with new models rolling out like clockwork. However, there's a glimmer of hope as Apple ventures into the AI universe with its new feature, Apple Intelligence. But will Apple's foray into AI be enough to justify that hefty stock price? Analysts remain skeptical, predicting modest growth rates of 2% for this fiscal year and 13% next year. So if you're eyeing Apple stocks thinking they're the golden ticket, you might want to think twice. Next up is Apple's $14 billion tax debacle with Europe's highest court. Yep, you heard that right. $14 billion. The European Commission accused Ireland of offering illegal tax benefits to Apple. Both Apple and the Irish government aren't thrilled about this decision, but Ireland will comply and collect the taxes. Critics are saying this sets a bad precedent, potentially scaring away big businesses from the EU. This tax saga is unfolding right as Apple launches its iPhone 16 series, which is packing some serious AI power. Apple Intelligence is being touted as a tech revolution, handling photo editing, real-time answers, and enhanced messaging right from your device. It's Apple's response to rivals like Samsung and Google, who are already deep into AI. However, the smartphone market is shifting gears, with more people holding on to their devices longer, putting a strain on companies dependent on frequent upgrades. And remember that consolidation phase Apple stock is in? Trading between $200 and $235, it's a waiting game for investors looking for another breakout. The stock closed at $222.66 after a slight uptick, meaning it's not diving, but also not leaping. Finally, let's brighten the mood with 3 reasons why maybe, just maybe, you should still consider buying Apple stock. Despite all the drama, Apple retains a loyal customer base with 93% of current owners likely to buy another Apple device. Staggering, right? Plus, Apple's service sector is growing rapidly, becoming a major revenue driver. And don't forget, while the stock might be down from its July peak, Wall Street still sees potential, holding a bullish outlook with a target price of $247.22. So there you have it, a loaded day for Apple in the tech news spotlight. Is it time to sell, hold, or buy? Well, that's your call, but one thing's for sure. Apple never disappoints when it comes to giving us something to talk about. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.